How to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can wear the multiple hairs on Roblox. You can simply download Roblox by Google Play Store. On the top search bar tap for Roblox and install and update it. Since I've already installed it, let's just tap on play and open our Roblox account. So after we do this, you will see an home page like this. Now, if you want to change the hair, then just tap on your avatar, which is on the down bar. Now just tap on head and you will see the cap right here. Scroll, and if you see the option of hair, then you can just tap on it. Let's just tap on accessories. If you tap on accessories, then you will see the option of hair as well. So just tap on this here option and then add it for free. So if you see any free options right here, then you can just use it. Otherwise, you need to pay for the accessories that you will use. Tap on the head option and then you will again see many options of hair right here. Choose the hair that you prefer. After choosing it, you can just use it for free now. So just you can see that I've just changed my hair. You can also change it like that and it will be saved even if you go back. Just try to save it. So tap on here again and change your hair anytime. Now tap on the free option and tap on the get option. And then you will get it and it will be saved on its own. So it's already purchased and you have used it. Now you can go back and see that your hair has been changed. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.